Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. When you do, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and you stay updated. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this kinky or Marley ponytail, like really long ponytail. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved it. If you'd like to see how I made it, please keep on watching the video. And also, if you'd like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, I'm going to upload a video next or very soon to show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. Okay, so hey guys, I'm going to start with the hair. I just picked up all of the Marley hair or kinky hair. This is Marley hair. Is it Marley hair or kinky hair? Please let me know in the comment section below. So I just picked up I think it's Marley. I would go with Marley. I just picked up the Marley hair I have laying around the house. Okay, not literally around the house, but yeah, you get the point. So this is like leftovers of my previous Marley hair I've had, and I also have this one as well. This pack, just a hair full of Marley hair. I don't know if they're the same color. Ooh, they're not. Okay, so let me see which is better. Oh my god, this feels so soft. My lord, this is literally so soft. I got this from AliExpress, a vendor on AliExpress. So I don't think I'll be using that one. I think I'll use this one. So I'll be using this Marley hair that I had. I got like a bunch of Marley hair to twist my hair, but I've not had time, and yeah, so, or I've not found the right person that will twist my hair. So now this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's really soft. I don't know why it's soft, because I've had it for a long time, but it's really soft. And yeah, so now I'm going to set it in a way. I'm going to attach it on my head and then start detangling it a bit, just so you know it gives the illusion that it's my hair. So now I'm going to make sure they're all even out. They're all even out, like the roots are even. Then I'm going to separate it a bit in two equal parts. And when I separate it, what I'm going to do is, this is me making sure it's separated well. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take both ends of the hair and then twist it over each other like this. I want it to be really long because I'm about to be extra today. So now I have attached it together. So this part I'm going to attach it on my bun of my natural hair. I'm going to take my scrunchie and I'm going to attach that on my hair, on the Marley hair, sorry. Ooh. So this is how it comes, both like this, and then I pick one end and pull it. So I just make sure it's secured and pulled tightly together. So yes, now that I'm done with this, I'm going to start separating the hair, just so you know it's easier to work with. And I don't want it to look like locks, I want it to look like hair. Does that make sense? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this to a door and separate it. So you guys are going to watch me do it, because I feel like I'm just here blabbing. And yeah, so this is my door. I'm going to attach this to the door and I'm going to start separating it, just so it looks like my real hair. I'm not going to separate it too much. I'm just going to start with the ends. So yes, I just separated that, and then I'm going to lightly separate it. So I'm going to keep separating it and just continue doing that. So you guys should just watch me deal with it. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to continue with the rest of the hair, so you guys should just, you know, watch me do my thing. So I'm going to take the next one, open it from the ends. This might take a while. You might want to do this really early before you go out, or the night before you go out. For me, I'm doing it like really early. I have to go out at like 12, and right now it's 8 AM, so yeah. So I'm just going to keep separating it. If you come across any knots or tight ends, any knots, just take your time, okay? Take your time, it's necessary.
Into the dark, I followed you. I should have known.
So I'm done detangling every strand of hair on this ponytail. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it's looking like. Anyway, so for this part, I'm just going to, I feel like I pulled some of it out, so I'm just going to try to bring it back out, and then I'm going to detangle this part. Like, I'm going to remove this, the end part, and then we're going to be done with the hair. You guys are just going to see me like detangle this top part, the part I'm going to tie over my hair. I'm not going to really okay, this is the struggle. I'm not going to really do much to avoid this knots that come up. Try as much as possible to detangle this part, because that's what brings the knots to the hair most of the time. Apart from the hair tangling on its own, the ends, if you do not detangle the ends first, you're going to have like so many knots. That's the major key to know while doing this. Now that I'm done detangling, if there's any knots, I'm just going to cut it out with the scissors because I feel really lazy right now. So yeah, and for the ends, this part you really do not have to detangle it so much because you're going to tie it up anyway. So yeah, now I'm just going to twist this end. I'm going to twist it just to separate it from the other part of the hair. So yes, this is my hair. I can't wait for you guys to see it on my head. I really do hope it comes out nice. I really do hope it looks good as I am imagining it. Because if it doesn't look as good as I'm imagining it, that's going to be a problem. So right now the ends look kind of ratchety. So I'm just going to cut it out. Like cut out the part that has like stray hair and all that stuff. I hope you guys can see this. So this is it. I'm just going to leave it like this until I'm ready to attach it on my hair. So yes, this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys the final results on my hair as well, obviously. So yeah. Hey guys, so I applied soft mousse. The hair is already really soft. The hair is really soft, but I just decided to apply this mousse on it just so it feels really soft. And the mousse actually, I don't know if it made any difference because the hair was already really soft. Maybe if the hair gets hard, I'm going to apply the mousse once again and see if that works out. But yeah, I've come to the end of my video. If you'd like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, just stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe, click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also comment your questions. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.